There's such an evolution of the luxury condo space in our markets and so many elements that go into a true sophisticated product today.
If you see a building with amazing design, architecture, and it looks complicated, it is complicated.
Luxury is quality of life. Whether you wake up in the morning and you have your tea or your cafecito and you see the ocean or you see the water.
Residents and ultra-luxury properties are looking for seamlessness. They want to arrive at the property and feel like, I am home.
I believe everybody wants to live in a five-star hotel. It's really impossible to compete with the level of service that you can have in an ultra-luxury condo atmosphere.
South Florida in the past 5 years has, I think, become the epicenter of luxury and lifestyle. It's no longer a gateway to Latin America, it's a global gateway for the whole world.
The culture that we pull here with multi-nationalities, it leads to unique entertainment experiences, opportunities for sporting, educational components, all of which create a unique culture that is pure to South Florida.
We're trying to invest in the things that make people want to move here. It's a city that was born from immigration.
It brought a level of lifestyle, a level of quality, a level of sophistication that, quite frankly, the city has never seen.
People want to have more and be more. They want new, right? They want the new construction technologies and specifications and standards, and they want to be in these buildings that they have a lot of pride in.
A resident told me once that they bought that 1000 museum because the top of the building was dedicated to amenity. He pointed out that most developers would never take the highest, most expensive piece of real estate in the building, which is the top, and convert it into an amenity.
Buyers in condominium projects are most likely impressed by the long-term service offering that those buildings convey. It's the way they're greeted at the front door. It's the way their car's parked. It's the cleanliness of the building. It's the way the amenities are protected and preserved and functioning.
I think what's going to define the next wave is longevity, vitality, wellness. And the wellness ties to nutrition, which ties to F&B, which ties to food within the buildings. It's not just one or the other, but all of them really work together in unison. And I think that that's the new luxury, that's the new lifestyle.
For us, it's a collaboration of multiple different professionals, and we try to, curate the right team, the right chemistry for the market. And so working with someone like John George, for instance, it really elevates and kind of comes up with a lot of new things that otherwise we just wouldn't do.
Residential management might be one of the most important things that buyers don't really focus on, but we as a developer focus on it from the beginning, because you're not going to have a great management resident-facing experience without planning for that up front. It's no longer reactionary service, it's anticipatory service.
It's about the residents. It's always about the residents. We're all about solving their problems for them and giving them back their time.
Residents are looking for a relationship, and the easiest way to develop that is for our team members to really get to know those that live within the buildings that we manage. We understand our residents' needs, we can anticipate our residents' needs, and we can aim to solve them in advance, making for a seamless experience.